PRC Online Registration and Application. The Professional Regulation Commission, or PRC, has started implementing the Licensure Examination and Registration Information System, or LERIS, for the processing of examination, applications, initial registration for issuance of licenses, and license renewal. In this video, we'll navigate you through the procedures and steps in PRC Online Registration and PRC Online Application so that you can apply for exams and get your licenses. Here are the transactions that you can perform using PRC LERIS. Number 1, examination. Online application of various licensure examinations with requirements to be submitted upon processing or issuance of notice of admission. Number 2, initial registration. Online registration of new passers and successful examinees for the issuance of their licenses. Number 3, renewal. Online renewal of professional identification cards of registered professionals. Number 4, duplicate. Online application for lost ID replacement and certifications, online applications of certifications, both coming soon. These are the requirements for PRC Online Registration. Email address, preferably Gmail, mobile number, personal data such as the date of your graduation, 2x2 ID photo with white background in .jpeg format. You can request a digital copy of your ID photo at the photo studio where it was taken, or you can have it scanned, and valid ID card. Now, with these requirements ready, let's begin the PRC Online Registration process using PRC LERIS. The PRC Online Registration step-by-step process. Step 1. Visit the PRC LERIS website at http://online.prc.gov.ph. If you have an account with the old system at www.prc-online.com, please note that your account is no longer active, and so you have to register a new one. Step 2. Read the terms and conditions on the right-hand portion of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the green I agree button, then click that button. Step 3. Enter your details as printed on your notice of admission or personal identification card. Click the register button once you're finished. Your password must be at least 6 characters long and must include at least 1 letter, 1 number, and a special character. Aside from the details that you entered in Step 3, you will need to provide your permanent mailing address, mother's name and citizenship, name of school, degree or course, date of graduation, valid ID, and other important information. Don't worry if you make some mistakes or omit some information. will have the chance to review and edit your information on the next page. Step 5. Click the Save Information button after filling out all the required information. Step 6. In this step, you will upload your ID photo. Click the blue round icon as shown on the screenshot below. Step 7. Read the photo requirements. Your ID photo must be 2x2 in size with plain white background and must not be taken more than 6 months before. Click the Proceed button. Step 8. Click the Choose File button and look for the .jpg file of your photo. Select the file and click Open to upload the photo. Then, click either the Zoom In or Zoom Out button to fit the photo to the light gray box as shown below. Click Upload Image once you're done. Step 9. Click Select Transaction. This will launch a pop-up screen showing several transaction types. Step 10. Choose your transaction, whether it's examination application, initial registration, or PRC ID renewal. Then click the Proceed button. Next, how to perform a transaction and pay your fees. Step 1. Enter the information with regard to your transaction. For PRC Online application for licensure examination, enter the name of examination, examination type, date of exam, and place of exam. For PRC Online registration of new passers for licensure issuance, choose your profession and enter the application number from your Notice of Admission or NOA. Lastly, for PRC Online renewal of profession identification cards, select your profession and your PRC license number. Then click the Proceed button once you're done. Step 2. Select your preferred PRC Regional Office, then click Proceed. Step 3. Choose your payment option and click Submit. Now there are only 5 payment selections. Payment options are the following: PRC Cashier, Land Bank, PayMaya, BankNet, UCPP, and debit or credit card account. Payment through PRC Cashier. 1. Click Submit button to proceed. 2. Write down your reference number. Take a picture or print the page containing your reference number. Then pay through the PRC Cashier at your selected appointment place. Payment via Land Bank. 1. Click Submit to proceed. 2. Select payment option. 3. Click to submit selection. 4. Click to agree to terms and conditions. 5. Input account number. 6. Input PIN number. 7. Input PIN number. And 8. Click to confirm. Payment via UCPB over the counter. 1. Click the Submit button to proceed. 2. Write down your reference number. Take a picture or print the page containing your reference number. And then pay at your preferred UCPB branch. Payment via PayMaya. 1. Click Submit button to proceed. 2. Input your mobile number or email address. 3. Input your password. 4. Click to log in and pay using your PayMaya wallet. Step 4. Printing of documents. Step 1. Click Existing Transaction button. 2. Click to see payment details. 3. Click to print document. 4. Click to start printing. You should click this icon. Reminder: log out from your computer by clicking your name on the top right portion of the screen and then clicking log out. This is important if you are using a public computer at a library or internet shop. And then you may proceed to your chosen PRC Regional Office or Service Center at the given appointment date and time to submit all the required documents.
Thank you. Thank you. Tomo arigato.
Thank you.
No, they do.